Okay, on the back of the review sheet, number 4. To demonstrate his new high-speed camera, Flash performs an experiment in the physics lab which shoots a pellet gun at a pumpkin speed the moment of impact on film. The 1-gram pellet, so that's the mass, which right away I'm going to convert the grams to kilograms, travels at 100 meters per second, so that's my initial velocity, until it embeds itself into 2 centimeters in the pumpkin. So first of all, we're going to think about it. Once the pellet goes into the pumpkin and embeds itself, it stops. So that means that the final velocity is equal to 0. It goes 2 centimeters, so that's how far it goes. So 2 centimeters, we'll convert that to meters. So 12.02. And then it says, what is the average force? I want to find the force. Does the pumpkin exert to stop the pellet? So remember, the pellet's going this way, and the force is going in the opposite direction because it's going to stop it, right? All right, where do I get started? Well, what I'd look at first is I want to find F. What do I know about F? Well, I know that I learned that F is in the equation for the change in momentum, the impulse delta P. So delta P is equal to ST, and that's also equal to M delta V. So looking at my given, I see this is the equation that I'm going to use based on my given. Because when you don't know what to do in a problem, that's the whole reason since the beginning of the school year we write our given and we write our find. But because when you don't know what to do, you go to the end, you look at what you're solving for. I'm solving for F. Then you look at what you're given. I have M, I have VI, I have VF. Is there any equation that has all these variables in it? The only problem is, first of all, you see X isn't in any of these equations. And you also see that we also don't have T. So obviously we're going to use this to find that. But let's just go through the steps. So when I want to solve for F, F is going to be M VF minus VI over T. I have M, I have VF, I have VI. The only thing I don't have is T, so somehow I have to figure out T. So I need to figure out T. I have X, I have VI, and I have VF. Oh, is there one of those equations from Chapter 2 where I can figure out X? I can figure out T if I have these other 3 things? Is there one of those equations? Yeah, there is. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to use the equation X is equal to VI plus VF over 2 times T. So when I do this, I'm going to rearrange the equation and solve for T. So T is equal to 2X over VI plus VF. So it's 2 times 0.02 divided by 100 plus 0. So T comes out to be 0.0004 seconds. So once I get this T, then I can substitute it in here. And then I would have F is equal to M, 0.001 kilograms, times VF, which is 0, minus VI, which is 100, divided by my time, which is 0.0004 seconds. So my force, I have a kilogram meter per second squared, which is a Newton. This negative sign makes the whole answer negative, so it comes out to be negative 250 newtons. But it just said, it said what average force, so it didn't ask for. So it's stopping it, and again, the negative sign tells us, because it's stopping it, the force exerted by the pumpkin on the bullet is going in the direction opposite in which the bullet is moving, okay, in order to stop it. And that's it.